Ever wished you could add a little neon flair to your Apple Wallet? You know, those sleek digital passes that you tap and go? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of neon wallet passes and how to create your own. Imagine swiping your phone and seeing a vibrant, neon-lit pass for your favorite coffee shop or gym. It's not just about convenience, it's about style. Step-by-step guide. Design your pass. Choose a design app. Start with a design app like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Create your artwork. Design a visually striking pass with bold lines and bright colors. Size matters. Ensure your design fits the dimensions of an Apple Wallet pass. Export your design. Export your design as a PNG or PDF file. Prepare your pass information. Gather details. Collect the necessary information for your pass, such as pass type identifier, organization name, serial number, description, relevant URLs, e.g., website, App Store, logo. Utilize a pass creation tool. Online tools. Explore online tools like Passkit or Passcode that simplify the process. Manual coding. If you're tech savvy, you can create passes manually using Apple's Passkit API. Upload and test. Upload your design. Upload your designed artwork and information to the chosen tool. Test your pass. Download the generated pass to your iPhone and test its functionality. Tips for neon-inspired passes. Bold colors. Use vibrant, neon colors like electric blue, neon green, and hot pink. Minimalist design. Keep your design clean and simple to avoid clutter. Geometric shapes. Incorporate geometric shapes like triangles, squares, and circles. Glow effect. Add a subtle glow effect to your design for an extra touch of neon. Why neon wallet passes? Stand out. Make your passes unique and eye-catching. Personalize your wallet. Reflect your personal style and preferences. Enhance user experience. Create a visually appealing and interactive experience. Adding neon to your Apple Wallet is a fun and creative way to elevate your digital experience. By following these steps and incorporating neon design elements, you can create stunning passes that will impress your friends and streamline your daily life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.